Ever since Caesar Ritz created the Ritz Carlton brand in Paris and London over 100 years ago, the name is iconic for its consistent quality, excellence, and the promise of beautiful memories. His legacy lives on here in Sarasota, with a home that not only delivers contemporary style and luxurious finishes, but is equipped to deliver the full menu of legendary Ritz Carlton services. Ralph Waldo Emerson, the famous writer and namesake for the floor plan of Residence 1004, may never have slept here, but he would have received endless inspiration from the spectacular views, the abundance of sunlight, and warm breezes that living on the 10th floor of the Ritz Carlton Residences Sarasota offers. Opened in 2021, the Ritz Carlton Sarasota is elevated luxury. The moment you arrive, you are greeted by the valet, pass by the concierge, and are surrounded by world-class amenities, most of which overlook the water. Residence 1004 makes every day feel extraordinary. It delivers an expansive 3,000 square feet with 3 spacious bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a modern open kitchen, soaring ceilings, floor-to-ceiling glass windows and sliders, and the pinnacle feature being the supersized balcony looking out to Sarasota Bay and the Gulf of Mexico beyond. Start your day with coffee, espresso, or cappuccino in the World News Cafe. Continue with a variety of workout options, whether it be spinning, yoga, or working with a private trainer while overlooking the yacht harbor and bay. Enjoy the dedicated 70-foot lap pool, or just relax in the resort-style lounge pool. When you need to refuel, simply order a poolside meal and beverage prepared and delivered by the Ritz Carlton Hotel just next door. Then, let your stress completely dissolve in the steaming spa tub. Residents also have access through a private bridge to the Ritz Carlton Hotel with its trendy restaurant bar known as Jack Dusty. The Ritz Carlton has a long-standing reputation for welcoming its furry residents as well. There's a private dog park equipped with a drinking and washing station, as well as a great public space in the central Quay waterfront park adjacent to the building. The Ritz Carlton Residences Sarasota is located in the heart of downtown Sarasota. Steps to the bay, Sarasota's own Central Park, with walking trails, yoga classes, and our Pinnacle Performing Arts Center. Just across the street is the heart of downtown, with hundreds of restaurants and dozens of arts and cultural venues. For those looking for the highest quality of luxury living, access to all that Sarasota has to offer at your fingertips, and for nightly sunsets that soothe the soul, Residence 1004 can be your next home.